Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Lord Have Mercy. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking and watching. And if you are a returner, what's good? So today I have another wig review for you guys. And this wig I got from Amazon. Let me pull up the deets. While I'm doing that, you can go ahead and subscribe and hit your bell for notification so you know when next I have another video and you don't miss out. Alright, so the wig I got is from, the case it came in said ombre hair. But then there's a sticker that says Dorabeauty, so we don't know. Alright, so I got a short bob lace front wig in the color burgundy. I wanted to try a different color, so I got that. It's supposed to be human hair, 130% density, free part, and the hairline's pre-plucked and comes with baby hair. So I got it in 10 inches. So let's take it out and see how it looks. So open the box. Ooh. So this is a wig, and it comes with a wig cap. Comes with a note and care description or care tips. First of all, let me take it out of the bag. It has a weird chemical scent. I don't know about that. I don't know. So it's supposed to be human hair. Shed test or tangle test. Shed and tangle test. Okay, so no shedding. And it's not tangling. It does feel weird though, like it's synthetic for some reason. Maybe it's over processed. But anyways, so it has a comb at the back, and it has 3 more combs, and it has one to each side and one in front. Let's put this on. Okay, let's adjust this first before we start feeling ourselves. Okay, so this is it straight out of the box. The baby hairs are like standing straight like zombies. Okay, so I've cut the lace and the baby hairs, and I did put the elastic on it and it fit well, but I'm just gonna glue the sideburns so it lays down this way in case I want to put the hair like over my ear. So this part is covered. Yeah, I'm not a fan of how the hairline is turning out, but it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Okay, so this is how the hair turned out, the finished look. Let me scoot in a little bit. Ooh, like hello. Who's that? Is that you, Mercy? Is that you? We need to give her a name too. Yes. Okay. Before I get carried away, this is the finished look. I did the side part. Didn't really like pluck anything. Just used the flat iron. Hey, I used the flat iron to make this stay to the side, and did some like waves or curves or whatever they're called. My glove. Oh, Jesus Lord. This one has to always look wonky than the other, but ignore it. Anyways, I like it. I think I like it. I cut the baby hairs more, and I glued down just the sides. Like the front is not glued. I just used edge control to lay down the edges or baby hairs. And this one did not stay. I'm like, whatever, it's being covered. But I glued down this side to make it look more natural, and I think I did a decent job. What do you think? I like it. Looking spicy. Oh my god, yes. And the lips that I have on that match it, it's the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Copenhagen. But yeah, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Go and sit down.
Woo! Ooh! Feel like going on, you know, when you see yourself rant. Just small, a little bit. You know when you see yourself and you're like, ah, pepper them. You know when you see yourself and you're like, yeah, exactly, no words because you're speechless. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. I'll rate the hair. I'll give the hair out of 5 or out of 10. The baby hairs, they're too long, so maybe you guys make them shorter in your next production or something. They were too long for me. Overall, for the color I'll give it a 4.5 because I was expecting something a little bit dimmer, not as bright as this. Looking at the picture now, okay, actually, never mind, take it back. Yeah, it's a 5. Okay, anyways, I'm rambling. But yeah, that's it. Overall, out of 10, I'll give it 8.5. I'll give it 8.5. But yeah, I'll put a link to it in the description. They also have other colors. So if burgundy or red is not your preference, you can check out the other colors they have. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share, and comment what your thoughts are about it. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Thank you very much. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time by God's grace. Peace out.